Hello everyone, in my first video of 2025, today I want to share with you 7 days 7 looks video for this winter time of the year. My Monday look, I'm starting with these black pants from Zara. I decided to pair them with this H&M turtleneck jumper. I tucked the sweater and I added this simple belt, just to add a slight contrast in between all black pieces. I followed this all black look, so for that reason I went after these black kitten heel boots. This is quite simple and minimal look, but to break that black monotony, I went after this cream coat from H&M and I finished the look with my YSL purse. This is such a basic yet elegant look, perfectly appropriate for office space or for uni classes or for any other winter activity. My Tuesday look, I'm starting with this cream sweater dress. On the place of the bottoms, I went after these oversized pants and then I popped my Adidas sneakers. Because this sweater and pants create a bulky look, I tucked the sweater underneath my bra and it created this gorgeous cropped sweater look. To add a touch of element, I added this cream belt as well. And I finished the look with this beautiful off-white coat and beige purse. And this is the look. I love it because it is comfortable, but yet elegant looking because of these gorgeous beige and creamy tones. So don't forget to include neutral tones into your everyday winter outfits because they're going to add a change to the moody winter days. For my Wednesday look, I went after same beige trousers, but contrary to the previous look where I had sneakers, here I went after these creamy Zara boots. On top, I went after this old H&M blazer and I decided to cinch the waist by adding this tie belt. I did a side knot just to add a dose of interest to this suit look. Then I added this off-white creamy coat and purse and this is the look. I adore this look because it is smart looking, elegant and office appropriate. But what I love the most about this look is the fact how our blazers can be included into our winter wardrobe by simply cinching them, which gives them a purpose more. My Thursday look, I'm starting with these Zara leather trousers. On top, I went after this beige cardigan and I tucked it inside the pants. Then I went after these Zara knee-high boots for comfortable everyday look. This is one of my favorite winter looks. I finished it with black coat from H&M and this black bag. This is such a perfect look for winter. Leather pants are my favorite winter staple. They always look so chic and modern. I can for sure say that this is one of my favorite winter go-to looks, simply because it is so easy to put it all together. For my Friday look, I'm starting with this black sweater dress. But because it's Friday look, I wanted to add a dose of interest to it. So for that reason, I went after these black dotted ties. Then I went after these black knee-high boots, which turned this look into a cute, chic and comfortable look, appropriate for work, but also for drinks with your girls. Typically, you will see me finishing these all black looks with a cream coat, and it wasn't exception in this look either. And over it I am wearing a crossbody bag for a cool girl sort of a look. My Saturday look, I'm starting with this creamy mini skirt from H&M. On top I went after this gorgeous cotton shirt with hidden buttons. I wanted to pair this creamy skirt with creamy boots. So that is the reason why I am using these Zara boots again. They're perfect boots for a Saturday night out. And it doesn't come as a surprise that I decided to finish this look with a creamy coat as well. I just popped it over my shoulders and this is the look. I wasn't sure how I liked this look more, with shirt falling down loosely or by tucking it inside the skirt. Either way, I love how this look turned out to be. I especially love to wear mini skirts in winter when they're being styled with knee-high boots. And finally, for my Sunday look, I wanted to create one of my favorite winter go-to looks, and it included these H&M straight leg jeans. On top, I went after this creamy cropped H&M sweater. I just did a slight tuck in, and I went after same Zara boots. These are my favorite winter go-to boots. On top, I went after this fluffy creamy coat and that is the look, but I also added the black purse just so it can match the black boots. I really love this look because it is chic, simple, warm and easy to wear. So these would be all the looks I prepared for you in today's video. Hope some of them maybe inspire you to recreate something similar yourself. Thanks all for watching and I see you all in the next one. Bye bye!